Understanding being sheepish in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the curious world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, being sheepish. Stick with us to uncover the nuances of this interesting expression. The phrase, being sheepish, refers to feeling embarrassed or ashamed and often showing it through awkward behavior. It's like having that uncomfortable grin when you've done something silly and everyone knows it. The term, sheepish, comes from the characteristic timidity of sheep, which are animals that tend to be shy and easily frightened. Over time, this trait got associated with human behavior that resembles a sheep's meekness. Let's put being sheepish into action. Imagine you've spilled coffee on your shirt before a meeting, and you say, "I walked into the meeting with a big sheepish smile, hoping no one would notice the stain." A sheepish person might avoid eye contact, have a slight smile of embarrassment, or even blush. It's all about the non-verbal cues that say, "Oops, my bad." And that wraps up our journey into the meaning behind being sheepish. We hope you can now use this phrase to describe those red-faced moments with a bit more flair. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.